Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert a vertical video into a landscape video in Capcut. So if you ever want to change the format of your video from portrait into landscape, you can follow my step here and I'm going to use Capcut to convert it. So let's just open the Capcut application on your phone. And then let's just open the vertical or the portrait video that you want to convert. Tap on new project, and then choose the video. Okay, after you select your videos, you can tap on add at the bottom. So here is the vertical or the portrait video. Now you can just find the aspect ratio options here at the bottom of Capcut. Then choose the landscape format that you want. So in this case, I'm going to use this YouTube format 16:9. You can click on the check icon. So if you want to fit your videos in the background, you can do so, or you can just also leave it like this. For example, you can also fit it by clicking on the video and zoom it in like this. And you can also adjust the position so that it appears as you want it to be. So this is what the video will look like. Or you can also just go to canvas or background, and here you can change into blur just like this, for example. Then you can also just fit it again to how you like it. For example, you want to go like this, or you want to again go with full screen as before. Okay, so that's basically it. You can just adjust the position so that the main object of the from the vertical video still on the screen in the landscape video. So this is how it looks like now as a landscape video. And that's pretty much all. I hope this CapCut tutorial will be helpful for you, especially if you want to convert your video format. So if you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and also click on the comment below. You can also leave a comment if you still have question. Don't forget to click thanks and also click subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.